नमस्कार दर्शक बंधु समाज लाइव डॉट इन को आपण मानक स्वागत करुच्ची मु राजेश। कोरोना मुकाबिला सरकार मुंड व्यथार कारण साजिଛି। एनिमते केंद्र सरकार विभिन्न राज्य सरकार नीति निर्धारण संस्था एवं स्वेच्छासेवी संगठन मान सहित आलोचना करिसेंती। सेमानकर परामर्श नहीं सहयोग कामना करिसेंती। नुआदिल्ली ठारे नीति आयोग पक्षरु एनिमते होई जाइछि मानस मंथन। विभिन्न स्वेच्छासेवी संगठन सामाजिक कर्मी मानू नहीं वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग माध्यम एने आलोचना होइछि। आगकू कोरोनार केमती मुकाबिला कराहबो से नहीं योजना प्रस्तुति करने सहित एक नक्शा तैयारी कराहैछि। एही परिप्रेक्षी में ओडिशार अन्यतम प्रतिष्ठित संस्था CYST रो प्रतिष्ठाता तथा अध्यक्ष जगदानंद प्रतिनिधित्व करिसेंति।
I have 3 points basically. First of all, I think stigma is spreading actually. So this whole thing is very timely actually. There is a fear psychosis, and because there is a fear psychosis, so people are really having difficulties to recognize that there is a problem and appreciate that there is a problem, and then mustering courage to deal with the problem. So what can be done? So from my experience, I have seen now the frontline health workers are at the receiving end. So there has to be a peer education. If ASA Karmis, if ANMs are having difficulties in their primary health centers, in their health units, with other colleagues who are not coming to the ground, I think there has to be something done there. So peer education has to be done in the whole health segment. Number 2, I think this particular problem is very much focused. We have multiple targets actually. Multiple targets have to be dealt through a behavior change communication with different targets, different materials. I think I would like to remind everybody that when we really ran a national campaign against the HIV/AIDS in this country, we had a beautiful program called University Talks AIDS. University Talks AIDS. So the whole university system, the students were all involved. They were talking about AIDS, and that was identified as one of the global best practices. India's, University Talks AIDS. So then the other point is, migrants are really the returning migrants are the problem. They are considered as problematic spots, which is not true actually. They are almost considered as, and quarantine center is not a prisoner of war. So therefore, the message from Telangana Chief Minister, let us say, who said that, welcome home, the migrant returns, simple messages like that will make a huge difference actually. So the welcome messages, peer education. And then my last point is, sir, in this, campaign, unless the grassroots entities are involved, like resident welfare associations, neighborhood associations in the cities, in the villages, we have Pani Panchayats, we have self-help groups. So what we have done, we have lined up a range of institutions on the ground to be part of the frontline soldiers so that they themselves give up the stigma, they themselves, embrace this problem, they themselves become warriors against this problem, and then they become also message carriers. So I'm very happy that BMGF, Tata and others are involved here. I think right messaging, local messaging, behavior change communication for multiple targets has to be developed, and we are there as frontline soldiers really to take it forward in a big way in our respective societies. Thank you.
CYST नीति आयोग विभिन्न कार्य नीति निर्धारण संस्था भाव कार्य कर आसुछि।